What's go What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 5 minutes to 1 in the morning on Thursday the 20th of July. And yeah, we've finally had some significant expansion. And when I say significant, we've taken out highs here now, and we've also taken out this swing high here. So now on DXY, I'll be looking for buy side draws on liquidity. I've marked out this volume imbalance that we traded through. I'd like to see if price wants to reach up into that. If we drop down to the daily, you can see we traded above this high. So once we traded and closed above this high, I'm now bullish. It was a matter of, you see how it was a matter of waiting, because we were very consolidated, but then we have this big expansion today, and now that we've closed above it, it suggests to me that we're likely to continue higher. Now we do have this little daily volume imbalance here as well, so like price is likely to want to trade into there. Yes, we wicked to the bottom of it, but I'd like price to draw up to that. And we also now have a breaker, swing low, high, lower low, and then we break, making this line the breaker, which means that when price comes down back to this swing high, which I believe it will, we want to see a reaction and see us climb higher into that volume imbalance. There is also some buy side liquidity resting up here. Why is this buy side liquidity? We've got relatively equal highs here, and also technically here as well. And then we have that bigger weekly volume imbalance I was on about, which is this blue line. We also have an old low. This is a weekly low. I'll just show you now. So one thing to know about ICT's concepts is that old lows are also PD arrays. So this would be a premium PD array because it's above market price. So this is market price currently, and then this would be a premium PD array that price might want to draw to, which also happens to be in that imbalance that we traded through on the downside. So there is reason for price to want to trade higher. And yeah, like I said, I'm just expecting us to return back to the breaker. Remember, swing low, swing high, lower low, break. So I'd like to see price come down here, and then as price touches this and we move higher on dollar, I'd then be looking for lower prices on euro and GBP. So we're going to be looking at, I'm going to go to GBP now. So here we have pound, and you can see that we expanded lower today. Well, on Wednesday we expanded lower, and we traded right into this little fair value gap I have here, and we also traded through this fair value gap. So you got to remember that this is now an inverted fair value gap, because we traded on the upside then the downside. So that should now act as resistance, and now we're currently just consolidating within this range here. We do also have a breaker on pound. We've got swing high, swing low, and then we break it. So there's potential for price to want to draw down here, but we're going to have to see whether price wants to take out this low. I think it is likely that we're going to take out this low, because there's a beautiful fair value gap here on the 4 hour, and again there's that breaker. So this black line is delineating the breaker, which is nicely lined up with this. So it's possible for us to see us trade lower, take out this south side liquidity rest in here, and then we could probably start to see higher prices again. And that would also be supportive of dollar in terms of wanting to see higher dollar, trade higher, take out this swing high up into this volume imbalance. Well, it's not even a volume imbalance anymore, it's more like I guess it's just a fair value gap, and then see price turn around. But we're gonna have to wait and see. So if price continues to trade higher, so we have this bullish order block here. If price trades above that and then finds support, then I'd be looking for higher prices. But so long as price stays below the 50% level of this red box, which remember is the daily fair value gap, so as long as we continue to stay as long as price stays within it, I want to see us trade lower and deeper into this gap and potentially to this breaker here. But again, if we trade outside of that, then that's when I'd start looking for these highs, and I'd try and find a setup when it starts to find support on top of this. But that's only assuming it does trade outside of this range. So yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. I'm not going to look at euro right now because I do have my eyes set on pound. There's a lot of things going on economically here as well. There's something to do with the Prime Minister. I don't even know what's going on, but there's a lot of economic drivers that are happening tomorrow that I think are going to help move the market. So it'll be interesting to see if we can maybe wick up and then start to take out the south side, and then I'd like to be buying anywhere down here. And yeah, So that's pretty much everything, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been GBP Baby. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I don't usually tell you guys to do that, but we're growing at a nice pace, so I want us to try and get that subscriber base up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.